HCTI stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at healthcare triangle. It's 51 cents, 34% up. Where the freaking heck are we heading next? I want to be clear. I've done 36,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I've seen what's working for me and what is not. That being said, yeah, HCTI, man, is just a bearish market. And I'm not even trying to like overcomplicate this thing, but it's just bearish. It's not gonna be bearish for me if we start breaking, you know, above 88 cents. But because it's sitting here right now, we have the supply. Yeah, man, like it's totally still a potential short sell. And for me, it is only really going to be a short sell if I see like a one more movement up, something like that, right? Break or something, and then I'm pulling the trigger. Obviously, stay tuned. It's not financial advice, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a lot of souls there.